Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Bami here again. If it's your first time stopping by, you're very welcome. I hope you stay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not a makeup tutorial video. I am going to be doing a get to know me tag. Yay! So I'm hoping that with this video you guys are able to learn a few things about me, and let me know if you relate to any of the things that I will be talking about in the videos. Leave me a comment, send me a message, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So, number one question. I'm just trying to find it. Give me 1 second. Oh, what is your first name? My first name is Ayobami Alade JB, and I am Nigerian. Most people know me as Ayo. You guys call me Ayo, and I'm fine with that. But that is my first name. For all of you guys who didn't know that, there's something. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. I love black so much. I love all colors, to be honest, but I just feel like if I had to choose, then I'd choose black. You know what I mean? Yeah. Funniest moment throughout school. Honestly, there are a lot of really funny moments, but for some reason it doesn't like stick to my brain. Like, I don't remember it, but I know there are funny moments, and I guess that doesn't really help out much. My favorite song. Honestly, my favorite song of all time would be I Look to You by Whitney Houston. Honestly, hands down, it's a really amazing song. Like, it's really inspiring. I think she, honestly, like, I have no words to describe her. Like, Whitney Houston was a vocal beast. Like, she was so amazing. Like, have you listened to any of her songs? Honestly, if you haven't listened to Whitney Houston's song I Look to You by Whitney Houston, just pause this video right now and go listen to it. Actually, make sure you subscribe, and then you can pause it and go listen to it. And also turn on your notifications so that, like, you know, when your girl posts a video, you got it. No, I'm serious. Like, literally make sure you subscribe. Go listen to that song. I promise you, like, I'm not joking. Listen to that song and then come back. Let me know what you think. Drop it downstairs inside the comments below. Yeah, just write it inside the comments. Okay, let me know. Reach out to your girl. What was your favorite subject in high school? My favorite subject in high school was math. I love math, but my favorite subject in high school was biology. I love biology so much. My biology teacher was amazing. I loved the way that he delivered his lectures and stuff like that. It kind of really made everything interesting, and I was like, you know what, I love this. Like, I really love it. I love the class. It was so, like, lit. Like, everyone was so, I feel like for the most part, everyone was into, like, what was going on. We were all, like, what's the word, interacting, and, like, I would ask, like, tons of questions just because it was something that really interested me. And yeah. What is my favorite animal? My favorite animal is a tiger. I love tigers so much. Honestly, I don't know why. I feel like I love the way that they are, like their eyes. I love the stripes that they have. I think it's really pretty, and just that orangey color, oh my god, it's so amazing. And isn't there, like, the white tigers? I'm pretty sure there's the white tigers. Just give me 1 second. Just gonna search them up. White tigers. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Oh, I want to be a tiger so bad. I'm kidding. But yeah, they're so beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. You guys need to see this. This is so cute. I know my phone screen's probably dirty and this thing's not focusing. Really struggling. Oh, there we go. Do you guys see that? That is so cute. It is so pretty. But yeah, I think white tigers actually might be like my favorite animals. White tigers. Yeah, so my favorite animals are white tigers now. I'm trying to find the next question, but you know how life be sometimes. Your girl is trying. Tea or coffee? I'm not a coffee person. I love tea. It's not even so much that I love tea. It's just cause like I'm not a coffee person. Like I'd pick tea over coffee probably. Like I'd rather have a coffee. I would rather have tea over coffee, and it's just more so the fact that I've never actually really tried coffee. It's just one of those things where even though you haven't tried it, you're just like, you know what, I don't want to try it. I just know that I'm gonna hate it. There's no point trying it. I don't, yeah. What sport do you play or have you played? So what sports do you play or have you played? Your girl is not a sports person at all. Like your girl is not a sports person. Like I don't know what to say. I don't know what to tell you. But like the only sports that I've actually played in high school, I wasn't really like great at it. I was just like meh. Could you guys do that? Okay. This is why I should not be left alone by myself. I blame you guys. Just gonna act like we didn't see that. That did not just happen. Moving on. Tell us one of your bad habits. One of my bad habits is that when I really like something, I would wear it out. Like if I liked a dress or say I liked a particular song, I would listen to it every single day. Like every day, from day to day, morning to morning, afternoon to the daybreak. Just gonna happen. It's just, I'm tired of myself. But like honestly, I listen to it every single time until like I just don't want to hear it again. Like, you know when you've listened to that song like a lot? Yes. Next question is, how many tattoos or piercings do I have? I do not have any tattoos at all. I have 2 piercings and they're both in my ear. In my ear? On my ear? Whatever. They're both, I have both my ears pierced since I cannot speak English apparently. And I'm wearing these hoops in them. And it's so funny because honestly, I'm either wearing hoops or like I'm not wearing earrings at all. Like it's never, I mean, okay, I wouldn't say never. Never say never. Never say never. Never say never. Oh, my neck. What was I saying? Yeah, I either wear no earrings at all or I wear like this big gigantic hoop earrings that I absolutely love. Do you know I had these earrings like the same size in gold, silver? I had in black, in gray, in white, and in red. Did you know? Bet you didn't. Things that upset me. Things that upset me is literally people trying to act like extra. Like, don't act extra. Don't be extra. Go sit down. Like, sit down. No, seriously though, like people who try to be like sketchy or shady, people who are not straightforward, who are dishonest, who are deceitful, like honestly, like I feel like doing those things, like I would, like I don't know, I just feel like I would never understand why people do those things. And it's like honey, come and hug me. Seriously, come and hug me. You don't want to hug me? Just subscribe. Come and take hug. Come here. You feel better? Yes? That's nice. So next time you don't have to be lying up and down. You don't have to be dishonest. You just say the truth. Do you know what I mean? Better response and attitude. I actually forgot to put on blush. I honestly feel like I was supposed to be like a performer or like a lip sync. What do they call them? Is there anything as a lip sync professional? Because I feel like that's what I was supposed to be, honestly. I feel like I'm just embarrassing myself right now, but it doesn't matter. Oh, yeah, hey. To make my bed, money can buy time. A confession that I'd have to make to you guys, in the spirit of telling the truth, letting you guys know what's up, is that I am the most terrible dancer you will ever come across in your whole entire life, and I am not joking when I say that. I guess that's just how it is. Like, God just wanted me not. Sorry, God. Next thing, an embarrassing moment. An embarrassing moment that I can remember right now is the day that I peed myself. Yes, you heard me. I peed myself. This was back in primary school. I literally took a nap that day and I woke up and I was soaked in pee. It was so embarrassing, and yeah, like, people laughed at me, but it didn't go on forever. It was more like, oh, she peed herself. And then, like, after like 2 days or whatever, it was just forgotten. Like, everybody forgot about it, and like, life went on. Something that's constantly on my mind is my relationship with God. Like, how to constantly strengthen my relationship with God and just kind of like be a better Christian in general, be more spiritual and stuff like that. The other thing that's always on my mind is achieving my goals, like how to work towards achieving my goals. Pretty much just how to like better achieve my goal. Yeah. And food. I love food so much, and I feel like you guys can't understand how much I love food. Like, there is no way that I'd be able to explain to you guys how much I really love food, and you guys would understand. Like, it's just not possible. But I'm in love with food. Like, I love food so much. You guys will probably never see me the same after this video, but that's okay. Next question is one word that describes me. Honestly, I'm not sure what word describes me, but I feel like if you were to ask people around me, people who knew me, to describe me in one word, they probably would say that I am really strong-headed and I'm really like rigid in a way. Like, once I kind of have my mind set on something, I rarely, like almost never change my mind, because everybody has different qualities, different personalities, and that makes you you, right? It makes you unique. Next question is, what country do you wish to visit? I would like to go to Thailand or Japan, or pretty much any country where they don't speak English, just because I feel like not knowing the language, it just kind of takes you out of your comfort zone and kind of makes you want to learn the culture and the language, and that in itself kind of gives you a different experience overall, like when you really get into it. Get what I mean? Next question is, do you like bright colors? Honestly, I don't hate bright colors, but I just feel like if I were to choose, I'd probably choose something dark. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow me on my social media account. If you haven't seen my last videos, I will leave a link to them up on the screen, so make sure you check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.